Hello and welcome back to YOUCANIC. In today's video, I will be unboxing the newest tool in our collection, the YOUCANIC Wavescope 4C Pro. This oscilloscope can connect directly to your scanner through the Wavescope app, a new feature exclusive to our YOUCAN-2-C Pro scanners, or any other Android device using the Wavescope app that you can download from our website. You'll be able to connect this to your phone or tablet, or keep the number of electronics in your garage to a minimum, and just use your YOUCANIC scanner. In the future, we are planning on making the app available for Windows and iOS, but for now, you will need either an Android phone or tablet or a YOUCAN-2-C scanner to be able to use this device. As you will see in this video, this kit comes with a bunch of different accessories and add-ons to fit any of your diagnostic needs. Included with the oscilloscope, you will receive various probes, clips, and extension cables that will make any job a breeze. And not only that, but you will have access to YOUCANIC's stellar customer support team if you ever run into any trouble.